Hello and welcome to Bosch Power Tools. Today here we have with us GBH 185Li. This is a cordless hammer drill from Bosch, and GBH stands for Professional Hammer Drill. 185 is the series and Li stands for lithium ion, right? It's coming in this hard box. You can see it's very sturdy, can be carried to the workplace, right? And let's try to see what's the features available on the box, okay? First and foremost, it's got the BeConnected sticker, and that's the QR code for scanning, all right? And on the other side, so some more details about what's inside the tool. So this is GBH 185Li, which means it's compatible with 18-volt series batteries of Bosch. So this can take about, the maximum diameter of SDS plus bit is about 22 mm. And it's got a kickback control, it's got a vibration dampening, and the joule force is 1.9 joules, and of course this is SDS plus. So let's see what's inside the box. So first and foremost is the warranty card, the user manual for 185, user manual for charger, the service manual here, all the list of service stations, the hammer machine itself, two batteries, 1, 2, both of them having 4 ampere hour, and of course the charger, depth gauge. So here we have the layout of what's there in the GBH 185Li box. So we have the tool, the two batteries, and the charger. Something very interesting to note on both the batteries, you would see this. It's an amp share, okay, and powered by Bosch. You would also see that on the charger. Okay, what does this mean? So this is an amp share platform where there are many brands across the world who are partnering with Bosch for the batteries, which means the batteries are always compatible and interchangeable wherever you will find this amp share logo, right? So the batteries and the tools are interchangeable in these cases, right? So let's put the batteries to charge. All right. Yes, so it's blinking, which means it's getting charged, and this one is, I think it's fully charged here. Yes, it's fully charged. So let's do this. So let's plug in the battery. That's a perfect click. Does this work? Yes, it is working. This is the depth gauge, so we need to fix the depth gauge as well. So you press this knob and then you put this here. Yes, so that's the depth gauge. What we are missing in the whole setup is the drill bit. So the drill bit is never part of the kit that we got, but then this is an accessory. You need to buy this separately. So I'm putting SDS plus drill bit into this. So there it goes. It's a complete setup ready. So let's try to understand more product features and the technical specs of the tool. As you can see, this is SDS plus, so we have SDS plus bit here. This works on the 18-volt platform, that's why we have 18-volt battery put here. And this is a brushless tool. You can see that here. We have a clear mention of that this is a brushless motor, which means it's going to give a longer life because there is no friction because of brush or carbon that's available in here. The tool works on 3 modes, so that is basically for drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling. What you find here is basically for varial lock. In case you're using a chisel, then this can go on rotation mode, right? So all the 4 modes explained in the tool. What else do we have? So the impact energy that the tool delivers, so that's the kind of force with which it hammers, is that's 1.9 joules of force that's going to hit your concrete to break or to drill, On the no load speed, so this operates from 0 to 1050 RPM, 0 to 1050 RPM, right? And on the impact rate, it operates as high as 4675 blows per minute, 4675 blows per minute. And what is the maximum drilling diameter it can pick up here? And that's going to be 22 mm. So that's the maximum that it can pick up. Already mentioned on the box as well, we saw that there. When you're working in steel, of course you have to use a chuck adapter and then use it in steel. So we can go up to 13 mm in steel, and when it comes on wood, we can go about 20 mm. That's the max in wood. Of course, you'd have to use a spade bit in case of you're working on wood. So LED available here. So as I trigger it on, the LED will glow. Yes, there it glows. So obviously, even in a less illuminated places, the visibility is pretty good, and you can do a good job. Yeah, you can see it on top. So here it says it's got a kickback control and also vibrationing control. So this mechanism is basically to handle the vibration part of it, and this rubber coating here gives you a better grip and also absorbs a bit of vibration that's on the tool. Of course, it's got a constant speed, which means it's got a governor which maintains the constant speed as we start drilling into a harder concrete or any other material that's of that nature. One feature gets added on, that's something that a customer has a choice to buy, and that is a dust extraction mechanism which can be plugged in here. If people are interested in buying this, so please see the video on GDE 12. So that will tell you how this tool is compatible with GDE 12, which is a dust extraction system. So here we have GBH 185Li, and this is the concrete block. So let's drill in concrete and see how good it is. And of course, the vibration damping is going to help us. Then let's also do some chiseling. So this has got a chiseling feature in it. So let's fix the SDS Plus chisel bit. Yeah, that it's fixed. But you see, I want to chisel along this direction, but my spade chisel will not help me in that direction. So what I do is change it with varial lock. So here I'm changing the mode. I just change it to the varial lock here. Right, and I'm here able to rotate this. Please see this. So I've got this flat, so which can mean I can go along with this. So once it's done, so I put it only to the hammering mode or the chiseling mode as it is called. Right, so it's all set. Let's do it.